a quick rearrangement of the furnitures. This is what we're working with. Bar location is normally here. Snowy baby. And this is my daughter's puppy. And yeah, this is what we will have to work with, y'all.
Hey Sha'z fams, Happy New Year to you and your family. I trust you all are doing well. So before we get into the video, I wanted to show you guys or give you guys a quick tour of the back patio now that it is completely tiled. We're also going to be doing a little bit of cleaning because the bulk of the cleaning has been taken care of by my husband and my mom. And let me tell you, they did a great job because the space, compared to how it looked after everything was said and done, I don't have to do much when it comes to the cleaning. So we're also going to focus on some reorganizing or rearranging of some of the furnitures. So let's get into it. So I know you all can see this back wall where it looks like it was slightly cracked into. We had an unfortunate incident with our faucet in our kitchen, so we had to literally go in and get that fixed, and I'm so grateful that we did because guys, we had flooding downstairs and all of that just because of this. But that's gonna be taken care of. We're gonna fix it over, like put some concrete and stuff and repaint. So you're gonna see that in the upcoming video though. Yeah, I know. My plants, they need some TLC, like badly. They're looking terrible, but I'm gonna nurse them back to life. They need some soil, they need some fertilizer. And so are my planters. Oh my god, they are horrible. I really need to get my seedlings and get back into it. What a puppy love attention. Jism. But we love us some Snowy. Guys, this concludes today's video. I'm hot, I'm sweaty, but I am happy. Yes, like anyways guys, thank you so much for watching. If you're not yet subscribed, please go ahead, press that subscribe button. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up if you like what you see. And guys, tell me what you all think about the space. Like I said, I am not completely done. Yeah, let me talk to you guys and sit down. So guys, what I was saying is I just want some unique furnitures. I don't need them, you know, being matchy. As you all saw, I have this bar and I have this chair, and they're completely different shade. I'm not sure if I'm gonna keep these bar chairs though, but you'll see. Stay tuned. Please go ahead, press that subscribe button. Don't forget to turn on your post notification bells so you won't miss an upload or an update from your girl. Snowy, where you at, baby? Come up, come, paw, come baby, come say hi to the people. You know, I do love the white tile and the grays and browns, which you'll see, you know, somewhat marches the patio, but not like a complete march. Yeah, so I think we did a good pick. Comment down below. Thank you so much for stopping by. Blessings, more life. Cheers.